Management and Organization Tutorial and Instructions. Management and organization are the next section of the business plan. The first subsection here details management. The individuals responsible for operating and overseeing the company should be listed. The next subsection is organization. Here, the template supplies an organizational chart. The chart is in the form of a smart art graphic which shows the organizational structure of the company. Here, the names and titles of the individuals who will be running the company should be detailed. Other employees, contractors, board members, etc. can be inserted into the organizational chart. Often, small businesses may have a limited number of employees. In this case, it is acceptable to detail outsourced help and resources such as an attorney, accountant, etc. It is important to identify any and all required personnel to run the company. If the specific individuals needed have not yet been identified, entering TBA, to be determined, is an option. Utilizing the plug-and-plan template, users will want to add the bios or profiles for the key team members of their company in the blue highlighted area that is pasted in as a place mark. There is an organizational chart which is in the form of a smart art graphic. Click the graphic to enter the different areas of the organizational chart. Users can fill in and edit the team members and their position in the graphic.